You know already that she's going to look at the 6-foot guy. You know she's going to look at the guy that has 6 figures in the bank account. We know that, all right? I'm tired of hearing it. You're tired of hearing it. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the things that women notice that aren't about your height or your money. Let's hop into it. Number 1, your kindness. Believe it or not, the number 1 attribute when 70,000 women were asked that they look for in a man is their kindness. And I'm not telling you to be the nice guy, the doofus, the goofy guy that gets played. No. I'm telling you to be the kind guy, right? The respectable guy, the honorable guy, the guy that's a man that protects. That's the kindness that they're looking for. Number 2, your hygiene. And I'm talking about everything here. I'm talking about your nails. I'm talking about your nose hairs. I'm talking about your oral care. I'm talking about how you smell. I'm talking about how greasy your hair is. Your personal hygiene on every little aspect, even the small areas you think she's not looking. Your chapped lips. All those little things add up to your full package that I promise you she's noticing. Women by default are cleaner individuals than men are, which means when you pull up on a date and you look like a slob, it doesn't matter how tall, short, rich, poor you are. If you're just the person that looks gross or looks disgusting, she's not gonna wanna be around you. This is something you can control. Number 3, your underwear. Whitey-tighties? Stained underwear? Hell no, bro. When the clothing comes off, it's just you and your boxers standing there. And if your boxers look goofy, you look goofy, bro. I don't want you to look goofy. I want you to look good, so good. We just dropped our Manscaped 2.0 boxer set, pack of 3. I'm gonna make you look good even when you got no clothes on, bro. That's our goal with Manscaped. And here's the thing, when she sees that Manscaped branding, she knows what's about to happen once the boxers comes out. It's almost like free advertising, right? The clothes comes off, the boxers look sexy. Oh wait, that's Manscaped. Oh wait, we know what that means. All right, this guy's ready. This guy's pruned up. This guy's trimmed up. And not only that, bro, our boxers aren't just regular boxers. You already know. In Manscaped fashion, we had to engineer these. See, these are our new anti-chafing, high-performance boxer briefs. This new boxer brief collection comes with 6 brand new color combinations. So not only are they functional, they're also stylish. And yes, they look great. But the real secret, the secret you're not seeing, is the jewel pouch design on these. This is a dedicated space for your huevitos. For your huevitos to tuck in nicely. So they stay tucked in all day. They're not moving around. You're not slapping them in on each side of the leg. They're not getting pinched. Perfectly tucked in. Who else is tucking in your huevos, bro? And the fabric is also perforated, which allows ventilation to keep them cool. They're anti-chafing. They're supportive. The fabric is insanely soft. Flat lock seam. Comfortable and support, bro. These will be the best boxers in your drawer. If you guys want to check them out, they're going to be linked down below. I'm going to give you 20% off if you buy the 3-pack. Again, you can choose the colors that you want. Like I said, personally, I go with darker colors because they're safe and they make you look sexy once the clothes comes off. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below, plus free shipping internationally. 4, how you engage with other men. She notices this. She notices how other men respect you or don't respect you. And see, people hate the idea of the alpha male or being dominant or tricks or habits to look more dominant. But the truth is, we are nonverbal creatures that speak nonverbally. And whether you like it or not, there's certain men that seem more dominant than others. And there's things you can do to be those men. Giving firm handshakes, right? Propped back shoulders, your head held high, standing shoulder width apart, commanding your personal space. How you move around a room. See, this carries a certain weight. It's a certain confidence that you cannot fake. Women are going to notice how you interact in a room, especially with other men, because remember, women are always looking for the strongest and most dominant males this is just biologically ingrained in them. 5, your social media accounts. What you like, what you comment, what your lifestyle is. See, remember, your social media, it's like an avatar of who you are in real life, but online. That's what they're going to look at first. And they're going to look at everything. Who you comment on, what you're liking, who you're following. This gives them a good blueprint of who you are as a man, which is why they're going to look at that before they look at anything else. They're like FBI agents. And if you're the type of dude that's always posting selfies, right? You have no value on your social media account. Shoot, all you do is follow titties and ass, and that's all you're liking and hearting heart eyes on all of them. You look desperate. So if you're desperate in real life, you're basically going to be desperate online as well, and they're going to be able to tell even online before they meet you. Finally, number 6, your shoes, bro. Your shoes say everything of who you are as a man, where you've been, how mature you are, how much money you make. Your shoes say it all. This is why I push so hard. Look, I'm wearing sneakers right now, but I love to wear dress shoes. This is why I push so hard. You should have a pair of leather dress shoes that level up your fits. And again, you're sending that message, those nonverbal cues, that you're a man that has his stuff together, that you're a man that knows exactly where he's going, even if you don't know. Even if you don't know, that's the message you're going to be sending, and that she's going to be noticing. That's it for your boy. See you next time.